Behind me is the AceMicromatic LMT10LM lathe. The key features of the lathe would be the Siemens controller, a powerful spindle motor of 18 kilowatts and 200 newton-meters of torque, a VDI 40 turret with 12 positions, and a milling spindle that cranks up to 5,000 RPM and has 3.5 kilowatts of power. The next notable feature would be the tailstock. It has 400 millimeters of travel with hydraulically actuated coil that has a travel of 80 millimeters. The hydraulically operated chuck is 200 millimeters in diameter, and the maximum distance between centers of this lathe is 650 millimeters. The maximum diameter for the turning operations is 272 millimeters. To get more familiar with the AceMicromatic range of machines or this particular lathe, please visit us at EMO in Hanover in September.